Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make these adorable baby shoes favor box. And I got this SVG from Creative Fabrica. And I'm going to go ahead and walk you through downloading it and uploading it and putting it together step by step. So the first thing I did was I downloaded this to my desktop. Open Cricut Design Space and click on New Project. We're going to go to Upload, Upload Image, Browse, and I'm going to go to where I saved it on my desktop. And I'm going to double click on the SVG and then click Upload. And we're going to select the image and add it to the canvas. Okay, now we're going to click on Ungroup. And I'm going to select the booty right here and click Attach. And I'm going to do the same thing on the left side and hit Attached. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this in because I don't want this in the specific project. So I'm going to click on Contour and hide all contour and then close it. That way it's just plain. So I'm going to do this for this one as well. Let's slide this over here. Okay, and hit Contour, hide, close. Okay, so because that's what I want my project to have today. So let's go ahead and save it. And then click Make It on the mat. Okay, so I'm going to select Continue. And I'm going to use cardstock for intricate cuts. And I'm going to load the mat. And then we'll go ahead and put it together. So once you're done cutting, you're going to have 2 of these and 2 of these. And you're going to have 2 sets of the little bottoms of the feet. And then you're going to have a set of the buttons. Next, you'll want to take one of the booties and you'll want to fold it per se, I guess, just kind of wrap it around. And you'll see there's a part that we're going to fold over, and that part we will glue just right here. So this part will stay together and it'll form like a little outline of the shoe. Okay, so now we know which way that is going to go. So we will go ahead and fold the little pieces at the end of the booty, and we're going to go ahead and fold them down. Turned it over to make it easier to fold. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And now we are going to turn it back around, and you'll see here that this part folds, and that's the part that we're going to connect to the back of the booty. So we're going to add some glue here, and then we're going to go ahead and just kind of wrap it around, and it's going to attach to the side. So it'll look just like that. Okay, and then if you'll notice, everything that we folded is folded down. So it'll look just like this. And then now we are ready to go ahead and add the bottom of the booty. And I'm going to do that by applying glue around the border of the booty. And we're just going to attach it to the bottom. Now that we have the bottom of the booty attached, we are going to go ahead and add a little glue to the strap and apply it to the other part of the other side of the shoe. And then you'll do the same thing with the button. You'll just place a little glue on the button and put the button just right over the little strap circle. And now we're ready to add the little detail to wrap around the bottom of the shoe. So I'm just going to put glue on this entire piece, and then just go ahead and wrap it around the bottom of the shoe. Then the last thing that we do is just place the insert for the booty into each of the shoes, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. If you already subscribed, then thank you very much. And if you don't and you think this channel is for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.